Hey, Mike Burke here with sun stoppers, window tinting, and paint protection. Today we're doing a training class here at our Lake Norman facility. I'm here with Keenan and Devontae. They both have a little bit of window tint experience already. Now they're trying to get their hands dirty with the paint protection side of the business.
So day one, we got started on the mirrors, did it like 40 times, just repetition, just doing it over and over. After you get the mirrors nailed in, we moved on to the fenders, the headlights, and the hood. Tomorrow we're gonna do the bumper. So a two-piece mirror, because we did it in two pieces, you do the bottom half first and then you do a top piece. If you did it in one piece, this point right here is so sharp that you can't actually get the film to lay down.
The plotter over here from the DAP system with XPEL, a lot of times they cut the patterns to fit and then it has a little bit of stretch to it. So what happens is, with this particular pattern, it comes in, fits the body line, has a little bit of a relief cut right here, and then it comes down here, fits right next to the plastic, wraps around this body line, and then they basically piece in this little top piece right here. So it's really meticulous, it's really detail oriented. If you're ever gonna learn how to do paint protection, you wanna start with mirrors.
So in 2 days, we have sellable work. This is my first time doing PPF. So unlike the mirrors, the headlights, at least to me, are a little bit easier. It's a one piece with a relief cut at the top right here.
How long have you been doing paint protection?
2 days.
2 days, okay? We got sellable mirrors, and we got sellable headlights, sellable fenders, 2 days worth of training. Tomorrow is actually graduation day for these guys. That's what I'm talking about.
Mike's the man.
Thanks, Keenan.
Yeah.
Appreciate you
Thank
guys.
you, Mike.